PeeJ, how do you do the smoke transition in your transitions idea video? If you really want a good one, go look up Keaton, and he has the After Effects tutorial on it, and you basically copy the controls that he does, but do it on DaVinci. All right. Your clip, halfway through, it changes to the next scene, and we're gonna add a fast noise node, link that to the merge over here, and we're gonna basically, I think we're gonna do everything on the fast noise. We're gonna go to color, we're gonna change this to gradient, and then uni is fine. Let's go back to noise. Let's turn the detail down. It's maybe something like that'll work, and we want like this to be big, so we want this, and we could turn the contrast up just a tiny bit. We have bigger holes like this, and then we can change the white to a transparent color, like that, and then we're going to animate the offset on here. So the offset kind of either it moves along this gradient, so it either makes it more black or it makes it more transparent. If I move this to white, then it either goes to all black or all white. Basically the offset is like moving how much of the gradient is put onto the noise. So if we just turn this to black and transparent, then we have like this texture, and then we can animate with this offset. So at the beginning we have nothing, in the middle we have it up like this, and then at the end if we put it back like that, and ideally we'd have like a little bit of seed rate going, so it'll move, maybe not too fast, do like a 1. That's the gist of it. I think they probably made it smaller like this, and seed rate lower, and then probably let's try a whole clip that much, and then where's the cut? Somewhere in between there. Then we can scale our keyframes proportionally like this. Let's put this here, go to the end. This should work, something like that. But yeah, hopefully that works.